Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to take you guys around my room in Radisson Red. Enjoy! Lifts. This is it. So you come here. Oops, so I'm just going to sit down on that chair now. It's so nice. All right, let's go and let's continue this walk. There's another one there. Let me show you this view here. This is this view. Can you see? Oh wow, I love this location. Like, it is so nice. Look at the view, the tabletop mountains. I also go out to visit some of these places. I'm not sure I can visit all the places, but I'll see what I can do. All right, so let's head to my room. Radisson blue. Let's head to my room. I'm walking so fast. I'm walking really fast. Really fast. Here we go. So this is my room. I'm going to check in with my card. Opened. So let me turn on the lights back. Oops. Everywhere. I like what this reads. Hungry. Like, they know I like food already. Because I'm going to eat a lot of things. I'm going to eat a lot. So I'm going to eat. I already took a cup of coffee when I met it. So this is the door. And then, yeah, this is the door. This is the entrance. The other door there is the bedroom. I'm going to enter the bedroom later on. Coming, let me show you guys. So this is the wardrobe. Can you see how beautiful the wardrobe looks? I mean, it's so beautiful. Look at it, just open. So this one has a microwave, and then there's hair dryer. So if I swim and get my hair wet, I can, because there's a rooftop. I'm going to the rooftop. I will show you guys the rooftop in another video. So, and then this is the wardrobe. You know, my bag is there already. Yup. Yes. So, funny enough, I made my husband iron everything, most of my clothes for me, telling him that what if there's no iron in the hotel and I have to pay in dollars to iron my clothes. I don't have dollar to be paying. No, I don't have money to run. Rather, I don't have run to be paying for ironing clothes. Because most times my husband that helps me with ironing, I cannot iron to save my life. This is my bed, and you know what? This room reminds me of honeymoon. Even though my husband did not allow me to do video of our room and all, I have the video, but he didn't allow me to like share. Yeah, so. But this one is me alone, so I can share. This is my room. Radisson Red, Cape Town. It's so nice. See this? I already took off everything. So this is the case where the room key comes in. So that slot is where it is. My name is there. There's a waste bin. Then this, then we already have stores, like normal stores that hotels will give you. The milk, actually it was not so creamy, I don't know why, but they have other things like different types of tea. So I already took coffee. Trust your girl. I like food. So I already took coffee. Then there's water here. I'm wondering, why is this water in a bottle? You know, it's a way to reduce waste. Instead of plastic, bottles can be reused, but plastic most times might not be easily reused. So I have a small fridge. They even said they should put something for me in the fridge, and it has a small freezer also. yeah, that's that. So, and then this part of the room that I like so much, you know, I'm going to sit down here and do a lot of videos for you guys, like a lot of videos. When I get back to Nigeria, I'll edit the videos. I'll do most of them here. So this is it. And then you see this. Thanks to my special daddy. Daddy, if you're watching this video, thank you so much for this adapter. So my special dad has been to Cape Town so many times. Like, he's a Cape Town person. Maybe that's why Cape Town is the first country. South Africa and Cape Town is the first place I'm going to after Nigeria. So when I was leaving, he gave me this adapter. So when he gave it to me, I'm like, why did you give, like in my mind, I'm like, why is he giving me adapter? So he was like, that is what they use there. That's what you would need. And getting here, see, all the sockets are like this. So you won't be able to plug your Nigerian devices except you have an adapter to plug it. I can just imagine myself having to buy this here and not being able to charge my phone, my laptop. But you can charge your phone. So there is, let me show you. So there's space for USB cord. But what's more important to me is my laptop, because, and I came with this particular laptop. See my daddy. My daddy is here. Daddy. Yes, my daddy. See, his face is smiling. Yeah, so you see the window. So I want to open up the window to show you guys something. So my window is opening. It's opening. Can you see my view? Let me open. Can you see my view? Wow. Can you see? It's a quiet place. Yeah, so I'll soon go upstairs. Hey, I saw a bike. Oh, am I surprised? This is an African country. Esther, you're not in the UK, you're not in the US, you're in South Africa. This is an African country. Another bike. Dispatch. Don't mind me. So that Arts Gallery, I'm going to go there. So I'm going to visit a couple of places and show you guys. Stay tuned. And now to the bedroom. Turn on the lights. Oops, 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 oops. Oh, this is so beautiful. So beautiful. Can you see the lights? And so this is the remaining part of the bedroom. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Like the video, share it with anybody that you want to see this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed to this channel. Please subscribe, like the video. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video. I favor for it. I carry favor for it. Hallelujah. You not gonna finish? You not gonna finish? Hallelujah, no go finish.